Yo, Adam here, hope you are well. This week I want to talk about aspect ratios and how you can export your wedding films for a really cinematic, professional look. This is going to make your films really stand out on your website, make them look really slick, really clean.
As you can see on my site, all my films are set up with this thin cinematic looking format, and the actual videos themselves are flush to the whole window. And the difference being, of course, if this was just a standard 16:9 video, you'd get the black bar letterboxing along the top and the bottom, which is fine, but on your website it just doesn't look quite as sexy. So here's how you do it. Okay, so I'm just in Final Cut here, and what I've done is I've re-imported a finished wedding film, normal 16:9 aspect ratio. All I'm going to do is make a new project, give it a name. You want to go down to the video settings here, and it's currently set at 1920 by 1080, this sort of standard 16:9 format. So I want to change that to custom, so I can change the aspect ratio myself, and I'm going to leave it at 1920 by 816, so 816. Some would leave that at 817, but I've found that it doesn't quite just fit, so I've changed it to 816. Hit OK, and it's going to make a new project there. So when you drag in the film into the timeline, into the project, you'll notice it's not quite filling the space available. It's squashed it to fit that new aspect ratio. So all you need to do is go down into here, into the crop tool, and you've got trim, Ken Burns. You want to hit crop, which is the middle one. You can see it creating a border around your actual video file. Hit done, and that will crop down and fill frame with your new video file. So that's at your new kind of slim, thin aspect ratio. You've no black bars, and all you need to do then is export the file. And I've just saved it to my desktop, so here's my finished video, all cropped down to size. So you notice there's none of that black barring, it fits the new aspect ratio, and the whole film fills the screen. That's now nice and crisp and clean looking, and it's ready to be uploaded to Vimeo or to whichever hosting platform you use, so that I can put it on my website. And it's got that crisp, clean, sort of professional, slim look, no black barring, just pure video.
Hope you found this video useful. As ever, leave me a comment if you've got any questions or you just want to chat, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share it and all that stuff, and I'll see you next Friday.